Ethereum value equivalent to 26,240 rands a coin. The present cost range, 25,962. 27,306. The earlier day close, 26,563. The change was 323. 1.22%. Opposite rates, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Ethereum cost expectation on Monday. Walk 13, cost 26,491 rands, high 28,345, low 24,637. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday. Walk 14, cost 24,539 rands, high 26,257, low 22,821. Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday. Walk 15, cost 24,015 rands, high 25,696. Low 22,334. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday. Walk 16, cost 24,553 rands, high 26,272, low 22,834. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday. Walk 17, cost 24,624 rands, high 26,348, low 22,900. In multi-week Ethereum conjecture on Monday. Walk 20, cost 24,510 rands, high 26,226, low 22,794. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday. Walk 21, cost 24,563 rands, high 26,282, low 22,844. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday. Walk 22, cost 23,259 rands, high 24,887. Low 21,631. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday. Walk 23, cost 22,942 rands, high 24,548, low 21,336. Ethereum estimate on Friday. Walk 24, cost 23,785 rands, high 25,450. Low 22,120. In about 14 days Ethereum cost forecast on Monday. Walk 27, cost 23,628 rands, high 25,282, low 21,974. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday. Walk 28, cost 23,471 rands, high 25,114, low 21,828. Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday. Walk 29, cost 24,132 rands, high 25,821, low 22,443. Ethereum estimate on Thursday. Walk 30, cost 24,157 rands, high 25,848, low 22,466. Ethereum cost forecast on Friday. Walk 31, cost 23,521 rands, high 25,167. Low 21,875. In 3 weeks Ethereum estimate on Monday, April 3, cost 23,562 rands, high 25,211, low 21,913. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, April 4, cost 23,411 rands, high 25,050. Low 21,772. Ethereum estimate on Wednesday, April 5, cost 22,971 rands, high 24,579, low 21,363. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 23,383 rands, high 25,020, low 21,746. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 7, cost 23,005 rands, high 24,615, low 21,395. In about a month Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 23,286 rands, high 24,916, low 21,656. Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, April 11, cost 23,867 rands, high 25,538, low 22,196. Ethereum value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2023. In the first place, cost at 29,363 rands, exorbitant cost 31,226. while low cost 21,336. The found the middle value of cost 26,362. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 23,521. Change for spring 19.9%. Ethereum gauge for April 2023. In the first place, cost at 23,521 rands. Exorbitant cost 27,387. While low cost 19,437. The found the middle value of cost 22,811. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 20,900. Change for April 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2023. At the outset, cost at 20,900 rands. Excessive cost 23,827. While low cost 20,709. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21,926. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 22,268. Change for May 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for June 2023. First and foremost, cost at 22,268 rands. Exorbitant cost 27,639. While low cost 22,268. The found the middle value of cost 24,502. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 25,831. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2023. First and foremost, cost at 25,831 rands. Exorbitant cost 25,831. While low cost 21,969. The found the middle value of cost 24,314. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 23,623. Change for July 8.5%. Ethereum estimate for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 23,623 rands. Exorbitant cost 23,623. While low cost 18,454. The found the middle value of cost 21,386. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 19,843. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2023. Initially cost at 19,843 rands. Excessive cost 24,629. While low cost 19,843. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21,833. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 23,018. Change for September 16.0%. Ethereum figure for October 2023. Initially cost at 23,018 rands. Excessive cost 23,018. While low cost 19,424. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 21,587. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 20,886. Change for October 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at 20,886 rands. Excessive cost 21,312. While low cost 18,524. The arrived at the